Hi everyone, welcome back to my channel, Alfredo Media. Happy New Year to everyone. Welcome to 2022. It shall be a fruitful year for each and every one of us. Okay, I'm sure a lot of people incurred a lot of expenses during the festive period, and this is what this video is about. I'm going to be talking about debt this morning and how to convert debt into wealth. Okay, let me just get right into it. What is debt? Debt is money owed or due. Okay? And the reason I'm doing this video is because a lot of people actually run into debt, and the reason why they run into debt is because they go to credit giving institutions or banks to borrow money. After they do this, they don't use the money for the reason why they borrow the money. Okay, let me cite an example. People go there's a facility called overdraft. People go to the bank on a monthly basis to overdraw their accounts in order to augment their working capital. They do this for a lot of reasons. People who trade, they can use this money to buy more goods so as to increase their turnover and in turn make more profit. But as soon as this overdraft is being granted, a lot of people use this money for other things. Some use it to get married, they use it to make parties, they use it to celebrate naming ceremony and all that. When you do something like this, you are going to be indebted to the credit giving institution or the bank, as the case may be, because you must have spent this money on irrelevant things. I don't want to say it's irrelevant, but you took this money for in order to augment your working capital to do business and everything. At the end of the day, you did not use this money to do this. If you want to borrow money, you can actually use this money to acquire assets. For instance, you can use the money to acquire a house and lease out the house for like between 5 to 10 years. Then you can use this money to be servicing your debt or your loan, as the case may be. You can invest in fixed assets or current assets. What do I mean by fixed assets? Fixed assets is building, like that's you can invest in a property. When you do this, you can buy the property, keep the property for 2-3 years. When the property appreciates in value, then you can sell, make a profit, and give the money back to the bank. You can as well invest in shares, bonds, and the likes. You can invest in bond for, there are many types of bond. There are bonds for 3 months, that is 90-day period, or 91 days. There are some for 180 days, which is 6 months. When you do this, you have two options. Either at the end of the maturity date, you can liquidate the investment, that's the bond, or you can roll it over for another 30 or 60, or you can roll it over for another 30 days, 60 days, 90 days, or 180 days, as the case may be. If you want to liquidate it after maturity, you get the principal amount and the interest element. When you get this principal amount, you can use this one to service your debt, and you make profits from the interest element. Some people do this. They go to the bank to borrow money to augment their working capital. Then they don't pay back the principal immediately. They spread it out within 2 to 5 years. What they do is they use the interest or profit generated from this borrowing to service the debt. They keep using the interest to service the debt while they pay up the principal amount. This is what a lot of people do. They use this one to create wealth. When you, for instance, when you invest in a property, you can use this property to, you can lease out the property, you can rent it out, and use the money generated from this building to continue to service your debt and the interest element. This is all I have to say this morning. It's actually a short video. The key thing here is we should not borrow for the wrong reasons. We can actually borrow money to generate wealth by acquiring assets. This is all I have to say. If you like this video, kindly give the video a thumbs up and If you're yet to subscribe to my channel, kindly do so. Hit the subscribe button and don't forget to also hit the notification bell. Thank you for watching and see you on the next one. Thank you.